Some TPT sellers are not running out of motivation. They're running out of mental energy because every single day the store demands more decisions. And eventually, that cognitive load starts slowing everything down. Hi, I'm Shelley Antone. I've generated over $1.7 million selling on TPT. And one thing I know is this: complex stores quietly drain decision quality. And decision quality impacts growth far more than many sellers realize. Some TPT stores operate with constant mental friction. What should I create? What should I optimize? What matters most right now? What deserves attention first? What should wait? Eventually, the store starts creating decision overload. And decision overload usually creates slower execution, scattered focus, reactive choices, and inconsistent priorities. Because mental energy is a limited resource, strong stores usually reduce unnecessary decisions. They create systems, priorities, operational structure. That creates more consistency, not just more productivity. This became extremely important as my store expanded because eventually there were too many things competing for attention at the same time. And I realized constant decision making was quietly draining my focus. That forced me to become much more intentional about prioritization, systems, and operational simplicity. Because otherwise, the store started feeling mentally noisy all the time. Strong TPT stores usually operate with more clarity, not because they have fewer responsibilities, but because they reduce unnecessary friction. Sometimes growth slows not because a seller lacks ideas, but because the store is consuming too much mental bandwidth. If you want help identifying what is currently limiting your TPT growth, use the free TPT Growth Constraint Finder found below. It will help you pinpoint the constraint in your store so that you can make clearer growth decisions. Now, before you go, what is the biggest decision you are struggling with in your store right now? Let me know below. And in the next video, I'm going to explain why strong TPT sellers stop trying to optimize everything. I will see you in the next video.